Ghana keeps shocking foreigners, especially our own country people, Nigeria. Guys, most Nigerians always think Ghana is like a state in Nigeria, so they think there is nothing really special in Ghana, right? Those kind of Nigerians are the ones I'm really interested on seeing their first impression about Ghana. And today, behold, we have one of them, and this is his thought about Ghana.
Good morning, Ghana. Good morning, Accra. Back Ghana. Mitimubra Ghana. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. If you come here, you will never remember you have problem in this life. You forget about tomorrow and enjoy life. Bro, yeah. What's going on in Ghana? Bro, see golf. See golf. Man, I love Ghana, bro. I love Ghana. Jesus. If you don't want to forget yourself, don't come to Ghana. Because Ghana will make you forget where you come from, your origin. This is 10 p.m. here in Ghana. Everybody, they're outside. We're outside. Ghana. Ghana. You'll get to the point now. While you're passing through Ghana, allow Ghana to pass through you. That's the point.
This is a Nigerian. Yeah, this guy is a Nigerian who visited Ghana for the very first time. And as you've seen from the video you just finished watching right now, he is obviously surprised by what he is saying in Ghana. Yeah, a different thing entirely from what he has heard about Ghana. Most Nigerians do not really know the reality until they visit and see for themselves. So before we keep watching the video, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's keep watching.
If you open BBA clinic in Ghana, I swear to God, nobody will patronize you. You no go sell, you will not sell. You get to the point now, almost all the girls here in Ghana got something. They got natural BBA from heaven. Big nyash with a touch of attitude. You get to the point now, you see a skinny girl, she will only be looking skinny if she's sitting down. Let her stand up. You will see heavyweight champion. You get to the point now, bra Ghana, come to Ghana. If you have any money you are not using, come and open BBL reduction. Nyash reduction, because that is the only thing you can do here and be successful. You get to the point now, all the girls here got something. They got natural BBL, natural nyash, with a touch of attitude though. You get to the point now. If you have any money you are not using, bra Ghana, come and open BBL reduction, nyash reduction, because here nyash is nyashing. Some people say when the nyash is too much, you get the point now. Whatever you do, hope say you they come to Ghana. I no get time for wahala, how they Ghana. Accra, no be about. Come to Ghana, come and hit banku, one Chale, big nyasho, then get big nyasho, no be hello, everything na natural. Come to. If you come to Ghana, don't eat hotel food in Ghana. They will rip you off. You get to the point now. This is Osu Market here in Ghana. This is 10 p.m. 10 p.m. See, everybody's busy. There's no type of food you can't find here. Even food of heaven, manna, they sell it here in Ghana. Jesus. Remember, you
Yes.
you made this.
Yeah.
This one is crayfish. Go. Everything there. Eat anything you want here. 10 cedis, less than $1. You can eat anything here. This is wache. Yeah, let's try that wache. That wache looks good. Fish.
This is octopus.
Octopus.
Yeah,
this is fish from African river. Not that nonsense you eat. Man, people are busy here making money. Making money.
Banku, this okra soup, this groundnut soup, palm nut.
Which one is the best?
Everything is best, bro.
Yeah. That granola, let me try granola.
Okay, try it together.
Let's try the kelewele. Small. Bro, I'm here to eat kelewele. Kelewele. Skelewu. Madam, let me have it.
What's that? That's soya.
Kelewele. This is 10 p.m. here in Ghana. Everybody, they're outside. We're outside. Hmm? Yeah, yeah, I want everything. Jesus. This one is what, Gary?
Gary, oh. It is like the shop price.
What? Which one is this one?
Chicken.
What is chicken?
Yeah. This is sauce.
Ah, sauce. Let's try it. Jesus. Mama, you cook this?
Yes.
You made this?
Yeah.
I'll take it to America. Cooking for Trump. Bro, this thing is spicy, it's everything. But this Gary, I don't understand. This is good. No, for real, this is good. Okay, Gary butter.
Yeah.
This one is rice butter.
This is shaki.
Okay, Shaki.
This is tomo.
Momo.
And you have vegetables
This
over
one
here
is
and macaroni. Yeah.
For real. Bro, call the camera and eat food. Destroy the camera and eat food. If you are tired abroad, like you are tired living in abroad, come to Ghana. Ghana has a lot in stock for you. Let me show you an African man who returned from Europe to build the biggest Africa-owned brand here in Accra, Ghana, called 1981. Bruh, let me show you something. Welcome to 1981 showroom here in Accra, Ghana. This is one of the biggest Africa-owned brand here in Ghana. I don't know what to wear. Babe, are you going out this weekend? No, I don't know what to wear. Call 1981. They are faster than bullets. They will come to your rescue. What's going on here? You see my brother. My brother just flew from America. How he's shopping. Sense. You see this one? Babe, can I see you this weekend? No, I don't think I will have chance in life because you don't know what to wear. You are confused. Call 1981. Call 1981. Let them draw you. They have everything you need. Everything you are seeing here, they are all made in Africa, number one. And this thing, you wear it. Your children wear it. This is a generational shoe. Come, Ghana. Mr. Martins, the CEO of 1981 Africa-owned brand here in Accra, Ghana. You'll get to the point now, bro. A lot of people in Africa want to travel to Europe, America, and all that. And you, in Europe, you decided to come back home. Why?
There's a lot of opportunities here. There's a lot of things we need here in Africa. All those things, you know, is already existing there.
Yeah.
So I think there's more opportunity for us here in Africa.
What Mr. Martin is saying, it is way easier to make it in less competitive environment than already developed environments. You get to the point now, bro. What do you have for people struggling in Europe, America, and all that?
You've heard it all. Ghana. Come to Ghana.
Ghana. Bro, listen. You have to contact this bro. Like, this guy is good.
Your wedding outfits, corporate outfits, any African nice outfit, we can make them. We ship worldwide to America, to the UK, within Africa, and we are fast, very, very fast.
It's faster than bullets. Before you come, the gun, your clothes is already in front of your house. You get to the point. Number one here in Accra, you have to come here. I'll put his contact and all that. Anywhere you are, just contact him. You come to your rescue. You get to the point now. Mr. Martins,
Thank you.
I'm proud
Thank
of
you.
you.
Thank you, boss.
I love
Thank
the
you
fact
so
that
much. Thank you
you
so
came
much.
back here, not just for you, but also giving a lot of Africans job. This is what Africans need to be doing.
But I'm telling you, I love what you do. You are an inspiration.
Thank you, brother.
To many Africans out there and back here.
Bro, you make
the
me
love
shy
in Ghana
now.
for you is massive.
Thank you, bro.
It's
Thank
massive.
you, bro. I appreciate it. Just keep
We
winning,
love-
bro.
we love
Keep
you,
winning.
brother.
Number one. Contact my brother. This is our own brand. This is our own product. If you are buying this thing, you are giving back to yourself. The reason why you are still single is because you are confused. You don't know what to wear. Call Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin will come to your rescue. He will rescue you like yesterday. You will get to the point now, destroy the camera. If you don't want to forget yourself, don't come to Ghana. Because Ghana will make you forget where you come from, your origin. This is Azmira here in Accra. Which one is this one?
This United Nations palm nut soup. It has all the protein in it.
United Nation what?
Palm nut soup.
Jesus. Green soup. Ebulepunu.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
This is goat life soup.
Goat life soup.
This is beef, cow foot, and intestine stew.
Sure.
That it goes to the ayoyo and TZ.
Mm-hmm.
This is cocoyam and poto.
Kokoyama poto poto.
Yeah. This
You say poto poto?
Yeah, cocoyam porridge.
You know what we call poto poto in Nigeria?
No, please.
Okay, I'll tell you later.
This avocado.
Yeah.
Salted fish. That's Kobe. Call it Kobe.
This one is
boiled egg.
Ghana signature.
Yes. This apaprensa.
Apeprensa.
Yeah. Ademe soup.
Ademesu. What is it
goes
made
with
of?
It's made of this. This is the ingredients.
Okay.
That's the ayoyo.
Ayoyo.
Then ginger, pepper, and onion.
Is this like fufu?
No, this is a work plane. It's just maize and cassava.
Okay, maize and cassava.
We have the Zanken ketu here. Yeah. This Asanka garden eggs. The garden egg is grounded.
Okay, soup made from garden egg.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Stew. Yeah.
Must
This
be healthy.
ampesi, cocoyam, yam. You can take it there. Asanka garden egg. This acheke. It goes with this kejenu.
Okay, acheke.
Yeah.
I think I've heard about that acheke.
Yeah.
Okay.
This fried potato chufi. Chufi. Abobitadi stew.
Is this a goosey?
Yes.
Okay. What
This
is Ghana
white
a
bean
goosey?
stew, yeah. This white bean stew, garden eggs. That one was the grounded garden eggs,
Okay.
but this one is the chopped one. This is the kejelu. This tomato gravy, just plain stew.
Plain stew.
Steamed veg. So vegetable that is steamed.
Yeah.
That's it. Solo beef and guamo. It has beef in
Beef,
it.
okay. Okay, white rice with beef inside.
Yeah. And this is the plain white rice. This is Ghana jollof.
Okay, Ghana jollof.
Yes.
The famous Ghana jollof
Yes,
that you
please.
guys say is better than Nigerian
Yes,
jollof.
please. So you have
I'll
to
try
taste-
it.
Yeah, you try and see.
Yeah.
This fried plantain.
Fried plantain.
And here we have kelewele.
Kelewele.
It's seasoned.
Okay,
It's like-
seasoned plantain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I ate this one yesterday.
Okay.
It's on the
This
stew.
beef and wele stew.
Okay.
Boma. That your wele. Bomo.
But
Yeah.
more, okay. Like cow skin.
Yeah.
Bra Ghana. Mintimo Bra Ghana. Ghana is the only place where you feel at home.
These white beans.
White beans,
Abolo.
abolo.
Kaplo. Aboboy. Katale. These are Ghanaian meat salad.
We have enough food. Just show them.
Omotuo, this okro soup,
Okro soup.
kombanku okro soup. So the difference is this one is oil, this one is oilless.
Asmira, number one, show them everybody's happy here. You are not depressed. You just don't want to come to Accra. I'm in Ghana. I'm having the best of my life here in Ghana. And somebody reached out to me and he said, Son John, if you come to Ghana without coming to Chale, you've not come to Ghana. In order for your Ghana trip to be complete, you have to come to Chale. I'm here in Chale to see what Chale has for me. You'll get to the point now. Bra Ghana. Chale, this is Chale number one. You see, Chale number one. If you come to Ghana and you didn't come to Chale, you've not come to Ghana. You get to the point now. You see my mommy.
Are you following?
He's American. Funny enough, she's following me. She's surprised to see me here. She's from New York City. Because for you to enjoy Ghana, you have to come to Chale number one. Mommy, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love the fact that you love this country. This is Africa. Welcome home. Come on, let's show them Chale. This is Chale. This is my sister from New York. She's here to patronize Chale. Everything is in Ghana. Show them. Ghana. See her. You have to come to this place. This place is number one. And coming to Ghana, you have to go with Ghana. Allow Ghana to pass through you. You'll get to the point now. While you are passing through Ghana, allow Ghana to pass through you. That's the point. This is Chale. Look. You get to the point now. We don't even look alike. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's going on? Listen, while you are leaving Ghana, allow Ghana to pass through you. If you come to Ghana, let Ghana go with you. Ghana. Everything you need here. You want club wear? This is the place. You'll get to the point now. Bra Ghana. Mitsimo Bra Ghana. What's going on, brother? This is the stuff, bro. This is real African shit. And I love the fact that Africans are winning here in Africa. Brother, I'm proud of you. You don't have to go abroad to be successful. Bro, this is not the only one. Bro has multiple of them here in Accra. You'll get to the point now you're doing well. Young man. Thank you, bro. If you tell him to go and live in America, he'll tell you, are you normal? Are you normal? Good morning, Ghana. Good morning, Accra. Back Ghana. Mitimubra Ghana. Oh, Jesus. If you come here, you will never remember you have problem in this life. You forget about tomorrow and enjoy life. Bro, yeah. What's going on in Ghana? Bro, see golf. See golf. Man, I love Ghana, bro. I love Ghana. Jesus. Bro. Bro, Ghana. If you're coming to Ghana, let me show you the safest place to stay here in Accra, Ghana. This is Castowa, 2 minutes away from the airport. Here, even if you're naked, nobody will look at you. Even if you're naked like this, walking on the road, nobody will look at you. Come, let me show you something. Bra, Ghana. I love Ghana, man. This is 501 here in Castowa, Accra, Ghana, 2 minutes away from the airport. If you're coming, this is only place, even if you're naked, nobody will look at you. You'll get to the point it's an Airbnb, it's a short let. You can stay here 1 year. If that place is too hot for you, come to Accra, Ghana. Accra is a land of opportunity. You are not depressed. You will never know how powerful, how privileged you are until you come to Ghana. You want to do makeup, you can do makeup. Baby, I'm coming. Baby, like 5 more minutes. What's going on? This is the bathroom. The only thing is that you cannot do threesome here. But other than that, like, everything is amazing here, man. This is the pool. Jesus. Good morning, Accra. Back Ghana. Mitimubra Ghana. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. If you come here, you will never remember you have problem in this life. Bro. Yeah. Castowa #1, don't play. Start coming. 2 minutes away from the airport. You see airport. You can literally walk from airport to this place. You see plane. Show them. Show them. Good morning, Ghana. Good morning, Ghana. What's going on in Ghana? Bro, see golf. See golf. Man, I love Ghana, bro. I love Ghana. Jesus. You see beautiful Ghana. If you come with your family, children, this one is playground. Where your children will play, slide, everything. You get to the point now, safest place to stay here in Accra. Even if you are naked here, nobody will look at you. You see, you get to the point now, he clear. This is Christian's Ball Castle here in Osu, Accra. On top of this castle was a church, while underneath it was a slave dungeon. So while captives were underneath this castle, crying for help, being raped, tortured, and killed, the masters who captured them were upstairs praising their God for job well done. You get to the point now. Listen, before you teach your children religion, make sure you teach them history first. You get to the point now. You cannot truly know your God if you don't understand your history. Your history is who you are because your God is spiritual. If you don't know your spiritual self, you can never know your God. You get to the point now. Africans need to do better. We need to do better, especially the religious leaders, the community leaders. You guys need to do better. Before you teach these children Sunday school, teach them history first. Teach them history first before you teach them Bible verses. This is Christian castle here. On top is the church, while underneath it is slave dungeon. Slave dungeon. The same people who captured them were busy torturing them downstairs, raping them, killing them, doing whatever they want with them. Because you know what? They see them as their goose. They see them as their goose. So before you be shouting, praising, do you know your God? Do you know the God you worship? Because if you don't know yourself, you don't know your God. You get to the point that before you start, I know my God. Do you know yourself? Do you truly know yourself? This is Christian castle here. Same time, slave castle here in Accra, Ghana, Osu. Try to visit this place at least before you die. We Africans, we need to do better. Show them this.